Today's lesson is on standard form, which is the formula you see in front of you, ax plus by equals c. We're trying to accomplish the same goal. If we're given an equation, we'll be asked to graph it, and if we're given a graph, we'll be asked to write an equation. It's just that this is a different form than y equals mx plus b. And the reason why you need to know both is because they're both used for different things, which we'll analyze further in class. But basically what you need to know is that standard form is great for figuring out x and y intercepts. Now we've already talked about a y-intercept is. Remember, that's where the line crosses the y-axis, so therefore the x-intercept would simply be where the line crosses the x-axis. So if you're presented with a problem like this, find the x and y-intercept of 2x plus 3y equals 12. In order to find each of the intercepts, think about it. What would, if I'm trying to find the x-intercept first, what would the y value be? Well, if it's crossing the x-axis, let's just say right here, what is my y value? My y value is 0, no matter what the x value is. Let's say it's 3, I'm just making that up. Then the y value would have to be 0 because you're not moving up or down. So like it says here, in order to find the x-intercept, you substitute 0 for y. And then you solve for x. So here we have our equation again, 2x plus 3y equals 12, and I substituted in 0 in place of y. That's the only thing I changed right there. And then if we solve it, obviously 3 times 0 is 0, so I got rid of that, and we have 2x equals 12. And then we just divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 6. Now, the exact opposite. If we're trying now to find the y-intercept, that's where the line crosses the y-axis, okay, you are not going left or right, so therefore the x value would be 0. No matter what the y value was, it doesn't matter, but that x value is 0. So in order to find the y-intercept, you substitute 0 in place of x and solve for y. So again, here's my equation. Substitute 0 in place of x. Since 2 times 0 is simply 0, I'll just have 3y equals 12. Divide by 3 on both sides, and we get y equals 4. Now that we have that information, that my x-intercept is 6 and my y-intercept is 4, it's very easy to graph because the x value is the x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis. So I put a point at positive 6 on the x-axis. Then my y-intercept is positive 4, so I put a point at positive 4 on the y-axis. And then all you need are 2 points to make a line. So I connected the points and made a line, and that is the graph of the equation. That's it for today, guys. Bye.